Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you a video of me doing my sister's knotless twist. I am just prepping her hair right now for the twist. So there will not be a lot of talking during this video, so I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'm so thankful for everyone who has been supporting my page this far. Hope to see you guys later. Enjoy! Okay, really quick, I am using the crochet needle for this technique. I have not used it before, and I've been watching a lot of videos, so I've been learning a lot, and it is very helpful when I'm pulling the hair through and keeping it tight and firm so that the twists aren't loose in the end. So this is a great technique to use.
Lemony snicket.
All right, you guys, this is the finished look. Tell me what you think. I was really proud of the work that I did. Using that gem is definitely better. It brings more of a shine and a hold, and I loved it. So thanks again for stopping by my channel, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.
I got victory. I got victory. Yeah. My name is Victor.